what are 2 to 3 protocols, habits, mindsets? We'll call them shortcuts because everybody likes shortcuts to longevity or a long health span that you would share.
Yeah, so let me give you two habits and two supplements that I like for longevity. The two habits that I recommend strongly. Number one is get enough sleep. Whether that's 7 hours, 8 hours, maybe some people even need 9 hours of sleep, because sleep is obviously the time where your brain can recover. The other thing is get enough exercise. Try to do it every day. It is a magic elixir for both the brain and our other tissues. We're designed to exercise. So those would be my two habits. In terms of two supplements, I would recommend almost everyone be taking a nitric oxide supplement. My favorite is Cardio Miracle. And then the other supplement I think most people should be on is called NMN, nicotinamide mononucleotide, not M&Ms, but NMN. So those would be the magic two: nitric oxide and NMN.
Okay, excellent.